My name is Pratiksha Khan and I am 18 years old. Women are bounded within the four walls. I don't know what happened tomorrow, but I will try to be a doctor and to serve poor people of my country, Nepal.
Nepali women are living in 17th century. They have lived in prison at home. But nowadays, women can also do things like men. I like being a woman. I can be equal to the men. Women can do anything. Women in Nepal are laughing with no happiness.
Namaste. I'm Wolf, the founder and director of Beyond the Four Walls. While filmmaking in Nepal, I started a grassroots endowment fund that grants talented young women with education beyond primary school. These girls are otherwise indentured into marriage full of isolation, heavy labor, and pregnancy. On my 5th trip to Nepal in 2010, I started production of Within the Four Walls to research and expose the problem. Quickly learned during interviews the way to empower and fulfill the otherwise broken dreams of this talented and historically unique generation of girls. Direct education grants to the most talented and disadvantaged young women. I've developed the project to operate on low overhead, measure impact, achieve sustainability, and transfer management to the top participants. When you share this video or buy the shirt, you'll help me secure the future they deserve as the first literate and educated women in Nepal. Thank you.
I think only you are helping us, especially for women. There are many people who want, but they are not helping us, or they go in different field, like for health, especially for health related AIDS, or some
leprosy, or
not
communicable disease.
They are not thinking about education, and not especially for women education. If they are thinking, then we are not in problem. I think we will not be in problem.
Many NGOs are interpreting their institution for the development of the country, but they do not think that the development can only be possible when women and male both should be treated well, like gender equity we just say. And if because both are the wheels of the same cart, and I think both should be given the same preference as given to the boys. So I think women is very foremost for the development. Both are foremost, but you are the one institution that I have been we ever have been seen that you have giving the same. You are giving your contributing most of your hard working, most of your toil, most of your attempt. You are attempting very
Here native people think that girls are nothing here. Girls are only girls have to live only inside the house or inside the building. They can't do anything. Native people think, and that concept is also, I think, foreigner also not get any interested. Many tourists come here to visit, but I haven't seen anyone interested in women development.
But
I think only you who are given interested in this, and I'm so happy also that you are helping us. And by seeing your help, I think people have to also be like you.
Ultimately, I want to tell the last thing that any foreigner come in our country only snapping the pictures of natural beauty, only intending their life for capturing the good things from our country. But you are the first who just consider on the negative point, and you wanted to make that negative point very in the positive way, and that are you.
I also think that many tourists come to visit and seeing that people are here and there. They are snapping the poverty pictures. And they are laughing at them. They are not trying to solve how they can solve that.
But you are insisting on that. That's very cool.
You are trying to solve that. That's for
my message.
So much.
We all message from the message from us is that for your institution is that as compare or competition to your country, that you are doing a very good job that have not been done by any of your citizen of your country. That you are seeing the negative fact of the Nepal. You are seeing that you are attempting alone to make it overcome. But and I think by seeing this, by seeing the success of this institution, I think most of the citizen of your country also wants to be like you and wants to help us like this.
My name is Pratiksha Karn and I am 18 years old. I want to be a doctor, but due to my family problem, I don't think so I can do. But also I am trying my best. Girls or women are bounded within the four walls, and just married women also, they are only regarded as a machine of bearing children, or within the house only they are kept. But I want to change this tradition. That's why I am trying to be a doctor, and I want some support from any people if they give me. I want to be a famous doctor. I want to cure all diseases if possible.
You said you can't be a doctor because of the family situation?
Yes, because first of all, I am the big daughter of my family, and due to family economic problem also there is. We are four brother and sister, and if every money will spend on me, then how they will survive? That's why I think my aim will be not succeed.
So do something.
If someone helped me to in my life as a husband also, they may help. If then I don't know what happened tomorrow, but I will try to be a doctor and to serve every poor people of my country, Nepal. I want to say some word about women's status in Nepal or in any country. In America, we see that women's status is going day by day good, but in Nepal that is so bad condition. If men and women both are educated, then family will be also very good, economically good. If family good, then society also may be improved. If society improved, then nation will be improved. So that's why we have to give education to both daughter and son. And after married, daughter only bounded to do their household work, not more than that. They are not allowed to go outside from home or anywhere to do job also. But this is very bad. We have to improve this. We have to give equal right to women. Men can do everything, we know, but without women they can't do anything. I am very lucky to born in this family because my father is not discriminated between son and daughter. He is given facility equally to son also, but more priority given to daughter. And I am so lucky to born in this family. Thank you. My name is Pratiksha Karn and I am 18 years old.
My name is Pratibha Karn and I am 15 years old.
Women are bounded within the four
That's
walls.
very nice.
I don't know what happened tomorrow, but I will try to be a doctor and to serve poor people of my country, Nepal.
When you share this video or buy the shirt, you'll help me secure the future they deserve as the first literate and educated women in Nepal. Thank you.
Nice, very nice. My economic condition is not good. That's why I leave it to be a doctor. And I am now reading in BSc second year. And now I am changing my dream. And now I tell that I would be a professor.
Because the parents and the children are in favor of making the girls married so fast. We have no time, and within a few times we have to success our goal. That's very impossible. After marriage, it is believed that they are surrounding in the four walls like a frog in the well.
I am 21 years old.
18.
18. So do you guys want to get married?
No,
No, now yet not.
now not.
It's not good. Marriage, that doesn't mean marriage. They mean that marriage is like a protection thing for the girls. But marriage can only be done when the he or she get so much matured.
I want to stand in my own leg. I don't want to depend on any other.
Yeah.
For example, as my husband also. I want to stand on my leg. I want to do anything what I like. I don't want to stop my desire due to my husband. I want to do a job in good companies. But if I will get married, then there's 100% sure my husband will not let me to do that.
We even can't take our own decision from ourselves. We have to depend on one's family. And when we do not take any decision, we become so threatened. We become so dull. So it's what to say, that discourage our passion. So we can, so but we are doing our level best, we're insisting on in that track. But yeah, and you guys, if help us, not me, the whole the girls which are so poor and their mind is so talented, then I think Nepal's girls are very talented. I think they will gonna rock the world.
They should have to get chance to show their talent.